Dinner tonight on the ship. So over here we have chicken arroz caldo soup. Surprisingly very popular today. It's almost gone. Also we have a nice little jasmine rice, barbecue chicken. This is turban of Sol Florentine fish. Interesting. Cornbread stuffing right over there with a nice little Knoxworth. Baked sweet potato, tomato gratin, one of my favorite, cauliflower and green beans, and of course a terrific salad. Lots and lots of options for the salad. Salad dressings and a dessert. Look at this. And just when you think it's enough, look at that. More dessert, all this ice cream right here. So, stay positive. If you don't know how, don't forget to check out my book, The Power of Positivity. And that's what we have for dinner on the ship tonight.